In this video, I'm going to break down the easiest way to make decorative stamped concrete for patios so you can get that pro look without breaking your back or blowing your budget. Alright, so first off, you want to start with the right concrete mix. Go for a mix that's not too watery but still easy to work with. You want it thick enough to hold the stamp but still smooth. Next, timing is everything. You gotta pour and spread the concrete evenly. Then wait until the surface is firm enough to hold the pattern but not completely dry, usually about 15 to 20 minutes depending on weather. Then grab your stamping mats or stamps and press them down firmly to get those cool textures like stone, brick, or wood. Don't forget to spray some release agent on the stamps to keep them from sticking to the concrete. That's a game changer. After stamping, use a roller or brush to add color release powder, which not only prevents sticking, but adds natural color variation. Once you're done, let it cure properly for at least a week before walking or putting furniture on it. And hey, sealing your stamped concrete with a good quality sealer will protect your work and keep colors popping for years. Lastly, keep your tools clean and ready for next time because dried concrete can wreck your stamps. One of the biggest mistakes people make with stamped concrete patios is rushing the curing process. If you walk on it too soon, you'll mess up the pattern and cause cracks. Also, using the wrong concrete mix can lead to weak spots or a surface that just doesn't stamp well. Another common issue is not using enough release agent, which causes the stamps to stick and ruin the texture. The fix? Be patient with curing. Pick a mix made for stamping or decorative use, and definitely spray that release agent like your life depends on it. BigHomeProjects.com is pretty cool because it connects folks like you with local contractors who know their stuff, so you're not stuck trying to figure out everything solo. Plus, it helps contractors find jobs in their area easily, making sure everyone wins. Homeowners get quality work and pros get steady gigs.